We got these tires for our pop-up camper. They're very simple to replace. Literally just jacked up the camper, took the old tires off, put the new tires on. They were already aired up, and pressure was good. Tire size was 175 by 80 R13 with a load range of C. The tire weight rating is 1,360 pounds with a max pressure of 50 psi. The bolt configuration is a 5-lug, 4.5 inch from the center. They're compatible with popular boat trailer brands such as Alumacraft, Continental, Crestliner, Karavan, Lund, Mako, Nitro, Ranger, Regency, River Pro, Sea Ray, Smokercraft, Stratos, Striper, Sun Tracker, Tahoe Tracker, Triton, Triumph, and Warrior. And they're compatible with popular utility and cargo trailers such as Big Tex, Carrio, Easy Hauler, FastTrac, Lark, Miska, Performance Trailers, PJ, Quality Trailers, and more.